Popsicles.
No, I have my popsicle.
They were supposed to Rochambeau. What happened to Rochambeau?
Yeah, Rochambeau.
I'm gonna pull Ro. Rochambeau. Hey, bro.
If you get it, don't like playing.
Sorry.
There you go.
Oh, the live started?
Oh shit! What the hell? Somebody even threw paper towel in here. This was supposed to go to those people.
Oh.
The rocks. They didn't take them. That's their coral. Did you want to message them on Facebook? Tell them that we got their coral rock. Still here. Hey, bro. Ooh. I'm gonna inspect all the tanks real quick. How is everybody? Welcome back, Pro Painter. Gus is having a good day today. Hey, you got some snacks? Offer him food, he's probably gonna say no. How are you? How's the baby? I think you're gonna give me eggs soon. I hope so. I hope so. I can get them some snacks though. I always get a couple snacks. I guess. It's hard to grab them. My hand don't fit in there. Oh, I'm sorry. Here's a couple for you guys. Let's see. Oop, put them down. Get them down. Ooh, there we go. They are going berserk. Oh, I think this needs to be tucked underneath here. This one's supposed to be here. And we also have another light we're going to install because one of them, El Puchod. Grab the scissors. You're going to see why. Do we got snakes? Yes, we do. So let's. Hey there.
Hi.
We got this albino. Yeah, she's got fresh water. We also have this Lewistic that is too big for her hide. We're gonna have to get her a new hide. All the other hides might have been contaminated, so we gotta wash them all, which is a little bit of a nuisance. But if you want to see something cool, check this out. Do you know what this is? Do you guys know what that is? Take a guess. Oh my goodness. It's crazy as it gets. It's a yellow anaconda. Boom. Look at that beauty. That's gonna grow 16, 18 feet long. This is beast mode. Alright. Now I gotta clip one of the wires. I shorted and blew one of my wires because that's how I roll. Where's it? There's one tie wrapped. Where is it? I don't see the thing I was working on anymore. I think it was over there. Oh well. Huh. Or was it down here? Yeah, that's where it is. See, there it is. This thing's strapped up. And look, Puchod is dead. Oh, I'm going to use the camera. There we go. There we go. Alright, this light is, oops, wrong one. It's long dead, long unplugged. I'm just cleaning up some wires that don't belong anymore. Oh, and I tie wrapped them all over the place. Oh. Damn. Okay. I'm too tired for that. Well, business was actually pretty crazy today. We sold one of our giant saltwater tanks. So one of the, well, the BioCubes, the big BioCubes, with a stand, and also they ordered some fish. Oh, one of the tegus sold. Where did Roro go? Is the big lizard over there?
By the door trying to get it.
Hey, you want to go out in the rain, don't you? You want to go play? You want to go play? Let's go. Come on, over here. Let's go. Yo, dum dum. There you go. Go play in the rain. Alright, looks like we gotta let him take a little stroll for now. Hey, where are we going, Ro? Where are we going, Ro? It's rainy, it's still pretty hot out, so. Hey, handsome boy. Where are we going? You're only allowed to come out to here when you have to poop. Our poor neighbors. Down the street. So we're gonna go. Huh? No. Don't go on the road. That way. There you go. This is why you're going to be getting an enclosure on the outside now. Where are you going? People are probably tuning in and going, what am I watching? What am I watching? I am watching a lizard probably take a shit. No. There's people in the car just going, what the hell is this? Nero? Where are we going? No. Don't walk on the road. No. Yeah, what's that? Where are we going, handsome? Can I see Aki? Well, not right now. Roro is on the road right now. And I'm gonna let him tucker himself out. Hey, where are you going? He's downtown Goo. Hey, you're downtown Goo. Yeah, your shed's starting to come off, eh? People on the bus are like, what the hell? Make sure you hit the share, the like button, spam that like button, people. Wouldn't it be funny to come across this as a video? I won't say anything, I'll just be like, shh. Oh, we sold one of the black and white tegus. Where are we going, bro? Bro, where are we going? You going to the Vic? Where are you going? You going to the Vic? You going to the Vic? No. Let's see on the road here. No, stay. No, that way, that way. That way. Yeah. Is that a friend of yours, bro? What are you doing? No. Hey. No, okay, you. I don't see anybody coming. Can you make it across? Can you make it across? You're not gonna make it across. No, come on. You're not gonna make it across. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Time to head back. No, we're heading back. We're going back. No. 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 There we go. Come on. There we go. Thank you for the gift, Des. Oh, it's been a while since we've seen you. Or at least you've been, maybe been quiet. I don't know, sometimes you look pretty good. And everyone else, you should hit that like button to spam tap the page, you know, for Roro. Maybe you'll finally listen and go back home. Go home. 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 I know. No, going home is this way. No. Oh. Let's go. There you go. Oh, he's gonna sleep so good tonight. This is probably the most I've seen him move in maybe a year or two. How have you not pooped? You normally don't move this much unless you're pooping. So where are you pooping? Don't poop here. This is the neighbor's yard. Don't poop in the neighbor's yard. No, let's go. Yeah, let's go. It's this way. Come on. Where are you going? No. No, it's the other way. The other way. The other way. Whoop. He's like, no. Like, yes. No, yes. No, yes. 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 No. There's me. There we go, okay. Where do you want to go? Why you gotta be a bum? You're not even gonna know your way home. Look at this, you're tripping people out, bro. You're stepping on forks. Eating cheap Chinese food. What have you done with yourself, bro? Look at the puddle. Yeah, that's right. Reevaluate your life choices, Roro. You know what he was doing? He was going back to the Vic. He was going to start drinking again. Roro. I've done it. Luckily, I'm his sponsor, so he's going for that 1-year coin. Hey, where are you going? There we go. He's figuring it out. He's figuring it out. There you go. He's got to be getting tired by now. I'm surprised he hasn't just plopped down. This is running a triathlon for old Ro. If Jay were here, I'd be like, isn't this the most you've ever seen Ro run? I've never seen him move this much. He's just deciding what he wants to do. What are you doing? Are you tired? You're pooched, eh? Are you pooched? You ready to go? Oh, where did Haley go? Haley! No! She left me, baby! You're leaving me, baby? Oh. You're leaving me? I said, are you leaving me? Is there people in the store?
Yeah, they're buying a beta and a tank.
Okay, then yeah, go help them. Go help them. I'll watch the fatty. Look how handsome he is, though.
They're getting the 10-gallon tank kit.
Nice. With the which one? The
The Acqueon kit.
Acqueon kit. Oh, okay. With the shrimp one?
No, it's like right by the front.
Oh, did you hear the toot? Ro, gross. No, we gotta get paper towel. Oh, it was just a whiz. This wasn't a big giant loaf. Gross. Come on, let's get out of here. I gotta clean that up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh man. Where's he going? He's going the opposite way. Hey Riley. Oh Riley, we're gonna be getting some cool stuff in this Friday, man. Couple plecos. Hey. And some black rams. That's what I'm excited for. I was like, there's something I was pretty excited for. And dandelions, yes. Jeez, I should bring Oogie back here. I didn't know there was this many back here. Those are nice. I don't know how I'm going to pick them up with the phone though. Any lizards? Yes, I think we're getting actually 2 chameleons and some leopard geckos. And some bearded dragons. We're getting 1 red and 2 regulars. Well, they're called fancy, but you ain't that fancy. Ain't nice fancy, maybe be whoa. I hold you, baby. Ha 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 ha. No, yeah, big boom. Oh, yeah, big boom. Where are you going? He's gonna probably play in the grass. Are you cold? You want me to pick you up? Are you gonna lay down? If he lays down, that usually means he wants to be picked up. Oh, nope. He still wants to wander. Oh, geez, you hear that, Ro? What's that? Hey? It's a doggy. This is usually where he escapes to. You can even see the grass is all... Well, it's probably not him. It's probably like junkies or something. Oh yeah, it was definitely junkies. Hey. Gotta be careful, Ro. This is Junkie Ro. Oof. Oof. Oh well, Ro. You ready to go? The doggy's gone. The doggy's gone. He didn't sound friendly, eh? Not like the other ones. The other doggies wanted to play with Ro. I don't want you to be. Poor Ro, you're your baby. Hey, I'm your baby. I'm your baby. You want me to pick you up? You want me to pick you up? Alright, alright. Okay, be good though. Oh, there we go. Alright, I only got one hand. I'm just gonna bring you back. Come on. Whoa, okay. You wanna go back on the ground? There you go, sorry. Oh, you want to be picked up? Don't look at me all offended. There's mosquitoes now. Look, one's biting your leg. You're getting bit by a mosquito. Proof. Tigers get bit by mosquitoes. Hey, they probably give you little bites. Keep you moving. Actually, I think the mosquito just flew away. It gave up. Right? Yeah, thought there was one there. Nope, they're gone. We tried to bite Ro, but he was too fat. Alright, we're finally making our way downtown. Something. There's a song to this. Making our way downtown. Do. Oh, and thank you for keeping me company, by the way, Robert Wallace, Des. Sometimes this is my day. When people walk their dog, it's like they go, oh, from here to Booga Booga Land. When you walk a lizard, there's like, whew, a tight little circle. Really slow hobble. Right, this guy is on the move today. I'm pretty sure he wants to go back in now. Hey? No. Yes, I know the propane prices are insane. Keep going. You're not going to dig up some propane gas. No, you're not. You always got these get rich schemes, eh, Ro? Whoever starts talking about Bitcoin, don't believe him. Come on. Listen. It's the same there as it was over there. What he's actually doing is probably just looking for Bubsy. He is. He hates Bubsy so much. Bubsy is terrified of Roro, but even though he's bigger. Nope. It's a doctor's office. They don't take lizards. That's a vet. You know, what are you going to complain about? That you eat too much? That's what the vet's going to tell you. He's going to be like, cut down the mouses and the eggies. Give them more vegetables. Is that really what you want to hear? Is that what you want to hear? Bro is like Griff, carnivore diet. He's not supposed to be, but he prefers it. You're almost back. No. He's like, did I walk too far? No. Go, keep going. Keep going that way. This is the way. He's gonna make it now. Ooh, this is a long trek for these guys. Yo, this is the most I've ever seen him. You should have seen. He went all over the place.
I know, he's trying to do it all day.
Pretty much non-stop. I don't know what's in them. It's full of piss and vinegar. It's that season. He's like, I'm looking for the ladies. Bro, just update your Tinder profile. That picture of you shirtless with a fishing rod, it's not working. Hey, Ro, no, can't go in there either. What are you looking for? Keep going. Let's go. It's over here. Come on. This way. No, don't lay down. Come on. No, don't lay down. Don't lay down. No, you big fatty. Come on, get up. Push, Roro. Push through. You're almost home. He's like, go on without me. Remember my name. Roro. Sacrifice a mouse to me. You better not. Come on, Roro. Don't be a dick. Let's go. That's Brick. You're a terrible Mason. Let's go. What's wrong? Terrible Mason. Let's go. What's wrong?